welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and teacher of Smart Mandarin, and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about a beginner level Chinese grammar, which is how to use separable verbs of Mandarin Chinese. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt in my own video lesson. If you have ever felt stuttered every time when you try to speak Mandarin, or you feel like you understand the grammar but you still cannot speak the language, worry that you can't master Mandarin without the environment? Don't worry, you're in luck because I'm hosting a free live workshop. In the free live workshop, I'm going to share with you how to master Chinese even without the environment, and how to improve speaking on your own, create your own Mandarin learning environment and experience. Join my free workshop, How to Succeed in Learning Mandarin Chinese Even Without the Environment. The link is in the description. Sign up as soon as possible because it's limited seated. I will see you in the workshop, and now back to the video lesson. By the word separable, you know that the verb can be separated in Mandarin Chinese. And usually the separable verb is used as verb object form. Also, we call that verb object verbs. You know how to speak German, and you're a German, you know in German language there are also separable verbs like in Mandarin Chinese, but it's used differently. Just the same logic, but used differently. So in Mandarin verb object verbs, the verb can be separated and it's used in the verb object form. Let me just give you examples so you can quickly understand. For example, the verb 吃饭 is a verb object verb. 吃 meaning to eat, 饭 meaning rice. So literally it is eat rice. But 吃饭 together means to eat a meal or eat rice literally. 我一天吃2顿饭. As you can see in this sentence, 吃饭 has been separated. And let's take a look at the sentence. 我一天 I one day 吃 to eat 2顿 2 饭 here means meal. So one day I eat 2 meals. 我一天吃2顿饭 One day I eat 2 meals. So 2顿 顿 is the measure word for meal. 2顿饭 2 meals. Let's take a look at another sentence also with 吃饭. 我今天吃了3碗饭. 我今天吃了3碗饭. I today ate 吃了. Remember, 了 has to be after the verb 吃. So 吃了3碗饭. 3 bowls of rice. 3碗饭. As you can see from the sentence, 吃饭 also is separated. And to talk about how many bowls of rice, 3 bowls of rice. 3碗饭. So this is how separable verb is being used. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know how to use 了 in Mandarin Chinese, I also have a video lesson. You can click here or link down below after watching this lesson. Let's take a look at different verb objects of Mandarin Chinese and see some examples to learn more. Another example is 看书. This is easy to understand. 看 meaning to watch, to see, to read, and 书 is book. Together, 看书 is to read. 看书. For example, you could say 他很喜欢看书. 他很喜欢看书. He likes to read. 他很喜欢看书. So in this case, 看书 is together. And another example, 你今天看了很多书. 你今天 you today 看了 you read 很多 a lot of 书. As you can see that 看书 this verb object has been separated. Why? Because you have to describe the amount of book of a person read. So 很多书 a lot of books. if you have the descriptive word to describe or to modify the object, the noun, you have to separate the verb, object, verb. 看了很多书 So 很多 modify 书 You read a lot of books 你看了很多书说话 means to talk or to speak. This is also a verb, object, verb. 说 meaning to say or to talk, and 话 meaning spoken words. So to talk spoken words meaning to talk. I know it's kind of weird, but when you learn a verb of Mandarin Chinese and you want to know if that is a verb, object, verb, the best way is first ask your Mandarin teacher. And second, check the book, check the dictionary, or check the example and see if this verb can be separated. If this verb can be separated in a sentence, that is a verb, object, verb. So let's see the example with 说话 to talk. 你说话说得太大声了 You talk too loud. 你说话说的 You talk 太大声了大声 meaning loud voice, so too loud. 太大声了 too loud. So you talk too loudly. 我不懂你说的话我不懂 I don't understand 你说的话 The spoken words that you say, the things you say 我不懂你说的话 In this case, 说话 is also separated, so it's a separable verb. 说话 Next one, to take a photo. 拍照拍照拍 meaning to take, to film, and 照 is photo, so to take photo. 拍照 Example, 麻烦你帮我拍一张照麻烦你麻烦 meaning trouble or troublesome. 麻烦你 it's like 请你 So can I trouble you? 麻烦你帮我 help me. 拍一张照一张 one. 张 is the measure word for photos. 拍一张照 take a photo. 拍一张照 The next one is also a weird one, which is dance. 跳舞跳 meaning to jump and 舞 meaning the dance. So to jump, dance meaning to dance. 跳舞 For example, 我可以请你跳支舞吗我可以 May I 请你 invite you 跳支舞 So 跳舞 is separated. So it literally is to jump a dance. 跳支舞 and 支 is a measure word for dance. And 跳一支舞 E is omitted. 我可以请你跳支舞吗 Can I invite you for a dance? Next one. 开会Literally, 开 is open and 会 is meeting. So open meeting, to have a meeting. 开会我们开了一天的会 We have a day of meeting. 我们开了 We open 一天的会 One day meeting, literally. So it means that we have a meeting for one day long. 我们开了一天的会The next one is to drive. 开车 literally drive car together to drive. 开车 For example, 他喜欢开车 In this case, you can put 开车 together. He likes to drive. 他喜欢开车 Next one, you could say 他喜欢开外国车Now you separate 开车 drive car and to talk about he likes to drive foreign cars. 他喜欢 he likes 开 to drive 外国车外国 foreign 车 car 外国车 foreign car. So as you can see that the reason we separate 开车 this verb object is because we have something to modify the noun, which is 车外国 foreign to modify 车 car. Next one is 放假,放假. So 放 meaning to release, 假 is day off. So 放假 meaning to have days off or to have a day off. For example, 你今年放几天假? You, 你今年 this year. 放 to have, to release. 几天 how many days? 假 off. So how many days off do you have this year? 你今年放几天假? So 几天 to modify 假. That's why 放假 is separated. The next one is 请假,请假. 请假 is to ask for a day off. So 请 literally means to invite, to ask for something, or please. There are many meanings for 请, but here meaning to ask for a day off. Let's take a look at some examples. 我想请一天假. 我想 I would like to. 请一天假 to ask a day off. So 一天 modify the day off 假. 请一天假 to ask for a day off. 我想请一天假. Next one, 帮忙 to help. 帮 meaning to help literally, and 忙 is busy or favor. 帮忙. Example, 麻烦帮我一个忙. 麻烦 may I trouble you? 麻烦帮我 help me. 一个忙一个 one, 忙 favor. Please help me a favor. May I trouble you to help me a favor? 麻烦帮我一个忙，帮忙. I hope this video served you. If you want to practice more, you can write down your own sentences with the verb object that we teach today. In the comment below, I'll check your sentence. And also, if you like this video lesson, hit the thumbs up and share this video to people who need this lesson. Also, if you want to become an insider of Smart Mandarin, get learning tips and learning information from me, make sure to click the link down below. Become a free Smart Mandarin insider. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. 再见。